going to be making
almond cookies with our special guest, Glammy,
aka Grandma.
And these delicious cookies are gluten-free and dairy-free.
So let's get right into it. Our first step is adding 3 egg whites into our bowl. And we're gonna whisk them until they're nice and fluffy. Now, this is what your egg white should look like, nice and fluffy. So now we're gonna be moving on to our next step, which is adding 1 cup of powdered sugar.
and you can try to dump it in like gently when you're facing it into the bowl.
We're gonna need 3 cups of almond flour. And you need to fold it in.
Gently, so none of it like spills out, because you don't want that to happen.
And we're gonna add 3 drops of almond essence.
And our grandma's helping us.
This is what our consistency should look like. And now we're gonna be moving on to our final step, which is putting our mixture, our batter on the baking tin. I'm gonna put it down and flatten it out a little. And decorate it with about 2 or 3 little cut up almonds.
That's how it should look.
Now we're gonna be taking our cookies and we're gonna put them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes.
Till they're golden brown.
Okay, our cookies are finished and now I'm pretty sure it's time for the
Taste test. They're divine. I love them so much.
Wow, they're absolutely delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Peace.